What's going on? Brought to you by Xcelerate. Happy New Year to all the new, Happy New Year to all the people out there. See another New Year this year. Some people are not with us no more, and just count your blessings that you still here. See a new year and see a new birthday. But anyway, Xcelerate has done another website, revamped the website, and on this $20 business on this day. 01/16/2025, brought to you by Xcelerate International, that you can make money by you sharing this information to others. You don't have to shop at your store if you don't want to. If you don't want to buy nothing, just let other people know about Xcelerate. It's only cost you $20 a month, $99 for the whole year or to the whole month, and go from there. I've been with Xcelerate since 2023. It's paying me. Gradually, it's paying me. I will never give up on it. I'm with it. I'll live good as well. But Xcelerate, I believe in Xcelerate. It's easy to understand. To follow some simple instructions, all you do is share this information to others, and you are good to go. Yes. So this is a new website for 2025. For 2025, by the owner, revamped Xcelerate International website that you can order whatever you want to order. They have your products. I'm not going to say nothing else. Y'all know by Xcelerate. It's on my social media. It's everywhere. It's going to cost you $20 or $30, $20 a month, or the rewards program if you want to travel is $10 a month, give or take. I know we can afford $30 to get some more money. People that's not working out there, people are still striking. Stop striking and start your own business from home. It is free to do until you start seeing your income coming in. It's a must, it's not given. I'm not telling you what to do. You know what you got to do because you don't have no more work no more. You ain't got no 9-to-5 job no more. So what you going to do to bring income coming in from your house, for your house and pay your bills? We all got bills. We'll never be zero balance ever in our life. We month to month. Every month we pay a bill. Every month we pay a bill. So what's the problem working from home? Simple and easy by you sharing Xcelerate International to all the Xcelerate International non-members. You can join this business for only $20 a month. The rewards program, $10 a month. By you telling others, they will help you pay your $30 a month payment, and without you even lifting a finger and just share the information with Xcelerate International, and you go from there. Really, there's nothing to talk about. Really, there's nothing else to talk about. There you go. They got instant coffee, rewards program. Like I said, shopping. We all like to shop. Everything is online now. All the malls we used to have in our hometown, my hometown mall, is shut down. It's no longer operational no more because people have been stealing from the stores. They've been stealing, so they have to go bankrupt or close the shop because they can't keep no product on there because people are stealing. They didn't want to go work or create their own business. There you go. Collagen and so forth and so on. I'm a member. This is my member price. Non-member pay a lot. This is the non-member, $60. Member price, $30. And go from there. This is another video for 2025. I'm making a video for 2025 brought to you by Xcelerate International, that you can see what's going on here. They got fuel tabs and so forth and so on. This is what people are saying. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from the thousands of customers who are seeing real results and enjoying incredible savings with Xcelerated. Discover how we are making a difference every day, helping people, saving lives better. Go from there. I mean, really, there is nothing else to talk about. Ruby Rush, Supreme Green, I'm going to have to order that soon and go from there. So, okay. Yeah, this is my New Year brought to you by Xcelerate International, new website from Xcelerate International in my back office that I'm showing you. Xcelerated is real. If you don't have work, you need work to do, join me with Xcelerate International. We can work together, make this money together, and put a brainstorm together and create our own focus and how to push Xcelerate. I'm affiliated with Xcelerate now. So, yes. All right, I'll come back with you again with another video.